Hello.
Hello.
We always talk about the outfit. This is
This is just something I pulled out of my closet.
well, what is it? Like peacocks or something?
It's probably peacocks.
All right. And where are we heading?
We're going to go to Sheridan. We're going to go to the Wilson's Chicken Shack.
Wilson's.
Wilson's Chicken Shack.
And we're driving and riding what?
We're riding our bikes.
These are the Gazelles.
Right.
C380s. And let's see what we got going. We're running Komoot as an app. Running the Bosch Nyon controller. We have our 360 camera, dash cam. And I think that, other than that, we're using our Cena helmets, which you have to turn on. Hello.
It's on.
Oh.
We just have to connect.
Let me connect here. There we go.
There you are.
Oh, we're connected.
Okay, we're connected.
We are connected, ready to rock and roll. Oh, we got a hummingbird right there, look. Right there. Oh, he's floating.
Morning on the path, we'll spin free. Indiana breeze, just you and me. Take the curve, let the day begin. Joy in the spokes as we spin. Mon on under open sky. Laughter echoing as we glide by. Nickel plate, feel that steady roll. Every mile fills lifts our soul.
All right, we picked up the absolute northernmost part of the Monon, which has been extended through Sheridan. We'll take it through Sheridan, get close enough, grab some, what are we going for?
Wilson's Chicken Shack.
Wilson's Chicken Shack, okay. Uh-oh. My buddy. Oh yeah, cement trucks. They try to squeeze me. I've had a couple of run-ins with them. No, they don't see me. Hello. This is Main Street, right here. Oh, we got a car right there, yeah. Well, we made it to the chicken shack. Oh, do you want a picture of the big chicken? All right, well, head over there. Go over and get the big chicken. Here's the big chicken. You got the big chicken? All right. That concludes our chicken shack ride.
Okay.
I think it's about 12 miles.
I did not look.
What'd you have, 10 miles?
I haven't looked at it since about 8,
okay.
and that was a while back.
All right, okay.